We've talked about how privacy and accuracy are two very important aspects of health IT. Now, there are various policies and regulations that have been developed by organizations like the US government to ensure the privacy and accuracy of our health information when we're using technology. So why don't we take a look at what some of these policies are? For this course, I'll focus on the policies that govern HIT in the United States, or the US. But it's important to remember that other countries around the globe have similar policies that may go by different names. However, the purpose of all of these policies are to ensure the privacy and accuracy of health information for people within that country. We'll discuss each of these in more depth in a future lesson, but here's a high-level overview of the key policies in the United States. HIPAA stands for Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, and it includes two important rules that protect the privacy of patient information: the security rule and the privacy rule. HITECH stands for Health Information Technology for Economic and Clinical Health. This was an act that was part of a larger American Recovery and Reinvestment Act from 2009. Its purpose was to include these meaningful use requirements that outlined how health organizations, like a hospital or a single provider's doctor's office, should implement and use HIT in their organizations. It actually included financial incentives if they didn't meet the meaningful use requirements, as well as penalties if they did not comply with the meaningful use requirements. The ACA, or the Affordable Care Act, outlined different policies for how providers needed to report that they were doing quality medicine within their organizations. So this included policies for quality reporting, as well as pay for performance, or P for P. Lastly, the FDA, also known as the Food and Drug Administration, has what's called CFRs, or Code of Federal Regulations. These are individual regulations or policies that outline how pharmaceutical and medical device companies, as well as any researcher who's conducting medical research, the different types of regulations they must follow when they're researching, developing, clinically testing, or manufacturing both pharmaceuticals and medical devices.